This is the 2022 Four Winds H4. This is a 24-foot overall length open bow rider. Really nice for bigger water, some of the inland stuff too, some of the bigger lakes that are inland. Really deep hull on this, uses a stable V hull that was actually designed and patented by Four Winds back in the 90s, and they still use it, so it's really an incredible hull. This boat is a little tough to see, but it is powered by a 250 horse Verado with the advanced midsection, so this gives you a little quieter ride, a little less vibration in the back. Really, really nice. You can drive almost wide open with this thing and just run it, man, and you can have a conversation. So it's a really, really nice motor. But as you can see here, beautiful boat overall, really classic look, classic lines, but it comes with the Tandem axle trailer, custom built, custom matched to this boat. You do get the extended deep reach ladder, so this goes way down in the water, a little deeper than most brands out there, and that is also a patent by Four Winds. You have some stereo controls off the back of the boat. In case you're hanging out back here, you can control it without having to grab your phone or go up to the captain's area. So we'll go up on the boat now. And as you can see, you do have a chase lounge that can be converted to be fully flat, or you can make the chase lounge face either way. So we'll go in through this side. You got some storage in here. You got a step down, which you do have a seat to fill this area to give you a little bit more seating. Really beautiful layout, really nice furniture. Really nice design to the furniture as well. There actually is a head built into this as well. It's an electric hatch that would open up right here. This would open straight up for you, give you access to a porta potty, your head there. The head does come with a pump out as well. You do have some trash cans built into here, so you can open up, put your trash in there, and then you can access the trash cans from there. Going up to the captain's home, you have the Simrad 7 touchscreen GPS. Really nice, easy, simple dash. You know, as nice and big, as fancy as this boat is, there really isn't too much to it. They keep it pretty simple. Have a built-in wireless charger there for your phone that expands to accommodate all sizes. And there is your power trim and everything there for the boat. Co-captain's chair also has, excuse me, a flip-up bolster, just like the captain's does. Ski tow locker is located underneath the middle of the floor there. Lots of room in the bow, plenty of leg room. You got a spot to mount a table as well there. But as you can see, tons of room up here. So it's a really, really nice, comfy area. Your anchor storage is located in the front to save you a little bit of room there. These are pull-up cleats that go down somewhat flush with the boat there. So it's a really nice, smooth look. Heavy-duty windshield, really, really high-gauge steel to kind of keep it all together. Quality windshield there. So this is the 2022 Four Winds 24-footer, or the H4, powered by a 250 horse Verado outboard. Come on in to SkipperBud's and check out the 2022 H4.